flinch and it scared him.
I know.
He's like, kept going. Most babies would have been like freaked out about it. And all of us like screamed.
Yeah. I like how we're all bracing for it, yeah.
He's no idea. I see you. Oh gosh. Aww.
He's just laying his head on it.
I wish you would have gotten it on.
I know.
I'm sure you. Oh gosh. Oh no. Amelia just got the camera ready.
You have to watch it.
Oh, did you see the camera?